Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What's going on, man? Let's let him cool off for a minute. You want to give me some info and all that for the video? How you doing today, by the way?
Good. My name is Sean. And 415s with a tri-amp, 8,000 watts. But got two on in here, two on, and like 16,000 watts in all.
Really? Okay. Awesome. Did you build the box?
The box one was made by a friend of mine, named Mark, and he built it to 36 hertz.
36 hertz. All right. Have you metered it?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay.
Not yet.
All right.
I just been doing a lot of demos.
I understand. Can we go check out the box in the back, man? I mean, would that be all right for the?
Yeah.
Go check it out. I'll get a demo afterward. What's your amps wired to? 1 ohm, half ohm, quarter.
They 2 ohm.
2 ohm. Okay, so you got to be 2 ohm. All right.
So it's like 1 amp is on 215, the other amp on the other 215s.
Okay, got it. Okay.
The speakers are 2 ohm.
Okay, got it. All right. I'd like to check out the amp and the box. What's up, man? What's your name, man?
I'm Leonard.
All right.
Where the truck at? You finished it?
Not today. A lot of demos, though. There's not a people to me. Awesome. That looks good. Any amps in the back seat?
Yeah.
Do they go down? Are you able to showcase them, do you think? Or? If they don't go down, don't worry about it.
You come around this side.
Awesome. 2 of them.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh yeah.
They ain't even hot.
Yeah. That means you're doing really well then. Yeah. Where, you have any batteries back here?
We got 3 on back there.
All right. Check this out. I appreciate it, man.
All right.
They'll like to see it all on YouTube. And what size alternator?
300.
300? Okay, I'll go check that out too.
All right.
Nice.
That's 300. This is stock alternator running from that side, for the short, this side running for the music.
That's a good idea. So you got it separated just so your audio is separate from your stock.
Right.
All right. What was your name?
Sean.
Sean. All right.
You got a big 3 in him, so
Okay.
that's about it.
It looks good, man. I like it. Yeah. Could I hear it real quick?
Yeah.
Just a quick one?
Yeah.
Yeah, just a quick one. Just a quick one, just like 15, 30 seconds, whatever you feel comfortable. It's a big port too. And this is a Tahoe. All right. You think you're gonna compete today at all?
Nah.
No, just fun.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, but next year I'm gonna switch it up, go something bigger.
Oh yeah. Stay no wall, or what's your plans, you think?
218.
Oh, 218s, okay.
2 chains today. Count 1. Fresh. And my niggas schooling. We the real universe. True Jack City. Making it work. Give them the work and they gun preserve. Licking the click. I'm fuck.
Dude, that was awesome, man. I appreciate it, dude.
No problem.
And you said you're going from, you think you're going to go to 218s?
Yeah.
All right. Well, pleasure to meet you, man. Thank you for that.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.